Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn uh, to use rank function to get the rank of these students based on their percentage. So for this purpose, we will use rank function. So we will type rank and the first argument is number, so we will select this cell D2 and we will get the reference. So our reference will be the column D. So we will fix this range and we want the rank in descending order, meaning uh, the percentage with the highest percentage will get the first rank, and then we will press enter and we will simply drag this formula, and here we can see that the Kavita Rao has got rank 1 with a highest percentage of 95.1 percentage. So in this way we can get the rank of a student based on their percentage with the help of this rank function. I hope you have understood the use of rank function. Thank you for watching this